Morning. We're standing right outside BMW's booth at CES. And right here beside me is a new Light and Park solution that BMW has introduced, which is not just a charging solution, but a true smart city initiative where they have extended the limits to what charging infrastructure can provide out. They are showcasing intelligent applications like intelligent street lighting, smart parking, and all of this will be available more for cities and not just for BMW customers, but for other EV owners, where the idea is to take electric mobility to the masses.
I mean, for us, it's all about giving people an easy way to charge their cars because we really want to push electric mobility. We think it's the right thing for big cities in terms of bringing down emissions, noise reduction, all these good things. So that's why we're really working with cities to realize that. This is not just a concept. We're working right now with the city of LA and the city of Chicago, who are in the process of modernizing their street infrastructure already to bring this into pilot applications there.
Okay. So BMW's involvement is in this unit.
The entire product really. So the light and the light control is also an innovation developed by BMW, and it all works together, in an ecosystem. So the base station is basically what talks to a server, and then the light has a lower range but very reliable, network module built in that will talk to the base station, that will also allow every street light to talk to the next street light, basically. So the city can do simple things like just switch lights on and off, but also these more advanced control things like react to a car and things like this.
So is it part of the overall Charge Now initiative? A lot of this?
Yeah. Okay. So we are already working with cities to advise them on the best ways to realize comprehensive charging infrastructure, and this is just another solution that can go in there. That's for specific areas where we want people to be able to drive an electric car, and this is not something that works just with BMW cars. It can work with any car that has a Type 1 connector, so anybody could hook up their cars here to get it charged.
Perfect.
So we can basically in the navigation system, we can do any kind of overlay. So right now we're already doing a charging station overlay. So basically, if you're looking for charging, it will show you from different sources. It will show you the charging stations that are available in your area, and the same thing would also be done with the parking information, basically.
Right. And every user will get one of those RFID.
Exactly.
Every i3.
Exactly. So the i3 comes with a solution like that anyway. So here in the US, it comes with a charge point solution. So you buy this car and you get this welcome card for ChargePoint where you can sign up. And then you have an RFID card that will basically allow you to authenticate at any charging station. And this will be integrated in that as well. Or if you have a different car or live in an area where there's a local provider, that could also be integrated in that. We're currently focusing on the US and Europe because that's where we see the biggest potential is for also electric mobility right now. So that's where we're pushing this, and then we might expand beyond that at some point. But currently we're focusing on Europe and the US.